Hey CCLS community, I want to draw your awareness to a new program called the MOScholars program. The state of Missouri passed this summer, and it's basically a tax credit program to fuel scholarships for children to go to Christian schools like CCLS. Now, the way it works is an individual or a business can give up to 50% of their state tax liability to the Missouri district, which then uses those dollars to fuel the scholarship fund. Now, the students get $6,300 not only this year, but every year all the way through high school. So this is a big opportunity we have to make Christian education accessible and affordable in the state of Missouri. Not many people have learned about it yet and are still learning how this works, so let me give you an example. Imagine a family earns about $50,000 a year. Their state tax liability would be around $6,000. Well, they could contribute $3,000, that is 50% of their tax liability, to the Missouri district. Those funds would then be used for scholarships to make sure that these children can go to Christian education. Later, the Missouri district then notifies the state treasurer, and the state treasurer sends you an email with the tax credit, dollar for the $3,000. So the bottom line is we're going to pay our state taxes one way or another, but we can reallocate half of our state taxes to the Missouri district to fuel this scholarship fund. Now, currently, the Missouri district has 65 students in the queue. That is 65 students waiting to get a scholarship to go to a Lutheran school. And they need people to step up and reallocate their taxes to the district by making a contribution, basically, again, a reallocation of your state taxes. Below this video, you'll see a link to the Missouri district. If you click there, it gives you all the information. Obviously, I'm not a tax accountant, but I have done this myself, and I know many others who have done this. Right now, we just need more capacity to make sure we don't waste this opportunity. The deadline for this year and these students that are in the queue is December 31st. So we only have a few weeks. The good news is it only takes a few minutes to do this. Literally 4 or 5 minutes. It doesn't take a lot of information. Just click on the links and follow through. CCLS, I know you're going to step up because CCLS always steps up, whether it's the food pantry at St. John's or supporting our brothers and sisters in Uganda. This is a generous community. The great news is this opportunity is just a reallocation of our taxes. But it takes just a few minutes to fill out the form and make that happen. But imagine the impact it'll have in those 65 students who will be able to afford Christian education, not only this year, but potentially all the way through high school. We currently have a handful of CCLS students who have received this scholarship. And of the 65, we have a few more that would benefit from this. So please, take the time to click on the link, learn more about the program, and if you would, share it with those you know, so that we can make sure that all children have access to a high-quality, Christ-centered education. Thanks for your time. Have a great day in the Lord.